I hope all these Bizquest winners, first of all, thanks for participating, all the 200 companies, all the 15 finalists and the 6 winners. I hope the others who couldn't be here to collect their certificates are watching it online at least. We have a few other things. There was feedback that was given, and we have winning numbers. So if you are one of these winning numbers, please raise your hand, and we have some gifts for you here. 9966401. If you all watched the sessions and you gave your feedback, and if that's your number. Mobile number. Go to the next one while we get the correct numbers there. The best.
I have all the numbers in my number. 9966640001.
Sorry, not in the list. Okay, the 3 winning numbers, if you're here, please raise your hand and come up. 9666 401 961, 879 0878 222, 9989 22433. Yeah. Good, good.
Boogie. Validate.
There is 2 people that spent valuable time over the 3 days to talk at length to 11 companies each, and spent valuable time of theirs over the 3 days, gave a lot of advice and talked to these guys. Shushanto, if he's here. And Pradeep Mittal. There was a lot of effort. I think, as you can see, there was really stellar panel. The kind of speakers that came in, most of them were from out of town. I want to especially thank all the speakers that came in. The track chairs that organize these events have been very active, working with these speakers for more than 3 months now, getting the content together, making sure that the content is something that the audience would like, and then putting it all together. So we want to thank them for it. We had some special guest speakers, you all know, Mr. Pradeep Chandra, Manohar Garuz, the Honorable Chief Minister, and even today we had Sanjay Jaju, the Principal Secretary for IT, and yesterday we had Mr. Ramana Gogula, and so it was really nice to have them all. I want to thank them all. Then we have an organizing committee, which is which the whole team has been working very hard. And in fact, I like the quote that one of them put out right in the beginning. It's amazing how much can be done when it doesn't matter who gets the credit. And this team has worked with that spirit. This team has really worked with that spirit. So for all of me being in front of you, I'll tell you this is the team that really worked hard. So I'd like to really thank this team. First of all, to start with Jumpstart, which was an all-day event, excellently hosted by Sanjay Kanya. He had an excellent set of speakers. Bizquest, where more than 200 applicants, were filtered down, read through, understood, and chosen to be winners. We had Aruna Reddy from ISB, and Ramesh Loganathan. A lot of time and effort to get that done. The Mentor Connect, Sanjay Anishpati. Thank you. VC Connect is the one-on-one meetings with VCs done by Mohsin and Bipin. Thank you very much. Leadership Connect, for the first time, is coming together of TIE and ISB together to create an event for CXOs and their education, an all-day event. Thanks very much to Safir, who did an excellent job putting that together. The PR team that handled all of this news that you're seeing, Varsha and Sriram from ISB, and Galvanize PR of TIE, thank you very much. There's volunteers, all the people that have been helping you, ensuring that you're going to the right places, that your stuff is organized right, and your food is on time, and all of that. Mauka and team, thank you very much. The web team, who's been doing pretty much dynamic updates every second there, speakers changing, adding, etc. Chris Ankem, and also our ticketing partner, Mr. Naidu. Thank you very much. Aarti from ISB, she's been jumping into multiple things, taking the ball on many different functions and still executing, primarily helping on the BizQuest, but also many other things. Thank you very much, Aarti. The ISB management team has been extremely supportive. This whole event has come together because of TIE and ISB, and the management team, particularly Dr. Deepak Chandra and Dr. Tanapu. Thank you very much. They're, I think, both busy in there. I think Dr. Tanapu left soon after because they have an event going on in ISB. So we didn't see them as actively here. They have another event going on in ISB, but they were all there behind the scenes getting all this together. The TIE management team, Dr. Ramesh and Mr. J.H. Chaudhary. You'll have seen Mr. J.H. Chaudhary here very actively. He was very actively supporting the whole organizing of this event, and Dr. Ramesh. Thank you very much. And all their staff, they have Naresh and the whole team that was there. I also want to thank Satish, who's been spending a lot of time and putting this together. All the creative you see, the backdrops that you see, he and his team have put that together. Thank you very much, Satish. Colonel Ravi, he is one experienced person who doesn't let anything drop through the cracks, and he's been working very hard to get this together. All your whole process that goes from end to end is Colonel Ravi. Thank you very much. We had nice MCs, Chandrakiran, Chandra Dharma Reddy, and Vikram Vipul are doing all different sides of it. Thank you so much, guys. Safir has taken not only Leadership Connect, but he's jumped in to help in different places. And his team, he actually put a team together that volunteered to do a lot of the outcalling and so forth. Thank you very much, Safir, in addition to the leadership. There's one person who sits quiet through the entire thing and really adds value to his experience. We invited him as a co-convener. We talked to him about many things, but he's just there quietly. Example of, it doesn't matter who gets the credit it doesn't matter who gets the credit. A lot of stuff can be done. Special thank you to Bipin Chandra, helping us through the entire thing. So I'd like to thank Dr. Ajit Ragnekar. His support and ISP support has been phenomenal. He's been there every second, returning calls in real time, being able to just say anywhere we can help, we'd like to be there. When we first sat together about 5 months ago and said, this is the plan, Dr. Ragnekar goes, Anant, what would worry you the most about your plan? And I thought that was a very good question, and from there on, I knew that on that one item, that his support was there through the event. And I really appreciate his effort. He stepped in many places. And then finally, I'd like to thank the TIE president, Mr. Murli Bokapatnam. And he has said, when he asked me to do it, and I said, I don't know if I can pull this off, he said, I'll there to support you. And I can tell you, he has been extremely passionate about every step of this. I mean, he has done probably more than what I have done as organizer of the event and been much more active in addition to doing a lot of the other TIE activities. I really want to thank, Mr. Murli Bokapatnam. His passion you can see in his passion he has been able to show, not just at this conference, at every TIE event. At times when we go to the government and say this is what they need to do about entrepreneurship and this is what they need to do about innovation, he's in the forefront of that. And right from there to creating a vision for what TIE needs to do for the next years, to really watching out for the small things that go on in organizing any event, the speakers that need to come in, the quality that needs to be maintained, is always there, extremely, extremely passionate about it. And I just can't say more than that in this many words. Thank you very much. And then of course, without our partners, we wouldn't have had all of this event. So I want to especially mention the government of AP and APIIC. They've been extremely supportive year after year. And for all those who say the government doesn't do enough, I bet you if you've gained from this conference, you owe it to them quite a bit. Then our other sponsors and partners, Sujana and Rand Capital, they've been very supportive. I also want to thank Phoenix Golf Edge, Singapore Airlines, UK Trade Commission, and our host for this event, the Avasa Hotels. Thank you very much. With that, I turn it over to Mr. Murali Bokapatnam to announce the next, do the curtain raiser for the next ISB Connect event. Thank you.
Guys, actually, I don't deserve any of the things which Anand said. And I thought I would like to say someone has to thank Anand for what he has done. I think I met so many people across the corridor when I was taking breaks, or I was having a coffee. Everyone walked up to me and said, this is the first time in the city of Hyderabad where we met such a quality panel members, where we could interact, where, one of the gentlemen said, this is the first time where it was an eye-opener, right from the seed capital onwards, all the way to the PE level. So, now I just couldn't thank enough. Anand, you've been a wonderful, wonderful convener, and I don't think I could have asked more. Guys, I would like to welcome my entire organizing team onto the stage. If it's not, I'm asking too much, can you please come onto the stage, everyone? And if it's not asking too much of you, can I get a standing ovation for my organizing team, please? Colonel Ravi, Susanto, Naresh, Vishnu, please come on to the stage. You guys, see, a leader is as good as the team he has. And I think I've been exceptionally blessed by the kind of team I had for the last 12 months. It's fantastic. And I think Anand led the team from the front in putting such a wonderful show for all of you guys. And if you have learned every bit of it, the credit goes to Anand and my organizing committee. Aruna, I know you are hiding in the back. You have to come onto the stage. Where is Aruna? Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. So now, I think this would be the first time ever in the history of TIE Hyderabad where we will be announcing TIE ISB Connect 1 year in advance. So your next, if you have pen and paper, your Blackberries, put it in your calendar. The next 2013 ISB Connect is going to be happening on September 24th, 25th and 26th. So I have one question for you guys. If you had the choice to choose the convener, who would that be? I'm not hearing it loud enough. And we heard you. And Anand has graciously agreed to be the convener of 2013. And along with that, I would like to introduce the co-convener Dream, who is going to be helping Anand. Ramesh Loganathan, please come onto the stage. And Kalyan Manyam. Where is Kalyan? I think he escaped. But Kalyan, CEO for the Mojo Street. Kalyan and Ramesh are going to be helping Anantrao as the co-conveners for 2013. I'm sure we are going to do a 4x than what we have done this year. So hopefully I'll see you, all of you guys and all of your friends who want to be on